Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I just want to quickly stop by to open this Map of the Soul Tour merch that came in the other day. This is gonna be really quick because this literally just has two things in here. This is the second package of the three. I want to open this now because I honestly don't know when the third one's gonna be here. So yes, really quick. Like I said, there are only two things in here, which I'm still very excited about. So first one is this version 1 t-shirt. Let's open this. Okay, why can't I open this? Ooh, again, it's the version 1. Let me see it. Version 1 shirt. I got this in medium. There's that. This is the front, all the boys' handwriting, and the back only has the logo. There you go. And then the other one is the tour edition hoodie. I also got it in medium. Let's see. This is my second hoodie, tour hoodie. The very first one I got is from the Speak Yourself tour last year. I got it in Chicago because if you've seen my vlog, very short vlog of that, it was freezing back in Chicago and I wasn't dressed right. That was just an excuse, really. But yes, so this again is the tour edition in size medium, and yeah, the front has, can you see it? The front says Map of the Soul. It's the zip up hoodie, obviously, and on the bottom it has the blue Map of the Soul tour thingy. And then the back just says tour. Very simple because I want to wear it to work when we get back to work. So it also has a logo up here. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!